Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from all devices on OneXpert app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on OneXpert and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXpert apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see setting option at top right corner. Once you click on it, you can see security setting option. Just tap on it and now you'll be able to see login history just down below. Just click over there and finally you can see in all section. So once you click on it, you will be able to log out from all devices successfully. So basically this is how you can log out from all devices on OneXpert app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.